Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing of this time something pretty cool. I thought it was time to change, but yeah, let's do this. So went to Harrods and picked this up. I saw it, I thought it was pretty nice. I saw it on the internet first and I was like, you know, it's time to perhaps upgrade. And yes guys, it's my digital watches. I'm not sure if you can see this in focus. I'll just try and focus on there. Yeah, so I thought it's time to replace them. This is the tag here. Had this for a very long time and I was like, oh, maybe I should still stick to tag. I know they have quite a few lovely ones. There's the Porsche design version, which I think is pretty cool, but I was like, nope, let me just go for something completely different. Obviously you all know this one. This is like what I've always used. This is my everyday watch. I just sort of upgraded the strap to a real Omega strap with the Omega buckle, and this is an approach. I think it's the S6 or 26. I'll just check. I can't say it on here. It's the approach. I know it's my golf watch and I use this for, like, this is my everyday watch. So here we go guys. But I'll leave this on for now actually. So in the box, that's how it comes. It's pretty basic stuff, you know, but it was quite cool of Harrods to give me a watch, a case, a bag rather, that had no branding on it because of the situation of theft of watches in London. But anyway, here you go. So this is how it comes. I'll just bring this box out. But how you know, it's so funny because they branded inside, guys. Isn't that crazy? Oh, this is my camera cover. They branded inside, guys. Hublot. So yeah, you have an original carry bag or whatever. Anyway, so I'll keep that aside. This is all the receipts and the thank you and all that stuff. And voila, here we go, guys. So let's do this. Plus paper casing, not too big. You have all the details on here on the watch. It's a Google Wear thing. Voila. So it says thank you for your purchase, yada 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 yada. I must confess I have opened this to see what it really was in store, because they don't actually come like this. You have to put it in here. And then you get this very nice travel case. I'll just bring this out. So that's the box there, nothing. And here you go. This is the Hublot, guys. I went for the Hublot smartwatch generation 3 because I think it's just ideal. And tell me if you like this color I went for. Boom. Yes, guys, I said I'll go for the white because it's just different. I don't think smartwatches should be smart, like elegant and like dress watches. No, they're meant to be fun, hip, cool, you know, and that's why you have all these changeable straps and so on. Well, this is my view. It's a very nice case, like nylon style, you know, leather detail with the branding on here, Hublot, Velcro, which sort of sticks in, and it's strong enough, you know, perfect for traveling, I think, anyway. And then in here you get an extra pouch. This is like a leather suede style case. No, suede style pouch. You know, it's got the brand in there, the Hublot. I don't know if you can see it on this camera. And in here you get the charging thing, the adapter, and the USB Type-C cable, but it's proper USB, so it's got Hublot brand. It's just sort of a stick-on, so nothing too fancy. And then that's the USB port. So a little bit disappointed it's not the latest USB to USB Type-C, but that works. I wouldn't use these because I have many of these USB Type-C adapters. I would, however, use this. So let's just bring this out in the meantime. Again, Hublot branding on the box there. Voila. And that's the adapter. So it's got the Hublot branding embossed this time around, so that's quite nice. And that's where you dock the watch, so keep that aside for now. Just quickly pop this in here. Guessing that's how that goes. In terms of resale value, I don't really know how well these ones do, but you know, I just really like it. I think it's a really nice, elegant watch. And here you go, guys. This is the watch. However, I should show you. Oh, so this is the price tag, or I don't know what that is. Some serial numbers of the actual watch. I got this extra strap. This is a green and white, you know, strap with the sort of calf leather. It's quite nice. I don't know if I can zoom in a little and show you. Yeah, if it's going to focus rather. There we go. That's pretty cool, right? Anyway, so this is the watch, guys. It's a beautiful piece of art. Ceramic, leather with the black detail on the sides, carbon fiber clasp here, very light. It's got the Hublot branding on there, you know, and that's basically it. Easy to swap the straps around, just bring that out, and then you can put whichever you want like that. Look at how elegant that looks, man. Now, yes, there's the black, but I thought I have this black, so why get another black? Let me just go for something different, you know, and just sort of enjoy the whole experience, I guess. You know, and it's a perfect summer watch. It's got two buttons. There's a button over here, and there's also a button over here. I just noticed this. I thought it was a USB Type-C charging point, but that's probably the speaker. I don't know if you can see it in there. To power it on, you press and hold, and it comes on. Hublot. It's pretty cool. It's a really nice watch, I think. It's just perfect for what it is. You know, works well with my Samsung, similar size, you know, Big Bang E, it says. Slightly smaller than this one. And this is the tag. You know, actually, if I just take this off so you can see all three next to each other to put things in perspective. Yeah, battery life, it's probably not as good as the Garmin. If you really want to watch, so with my Garmin, I use this like I travel with it, and for a week I don't need to charge. But with this one, you need to take it to charge all the time. You know, so this is probably the biggest. This is the sort of face I have. It's just simple. I'm still trying to figure out how I can put on my Oculus, because it's all about Oculus for everything. And what's up with this one? Is it powered on? This one's just been on charge. Yeah, it's probably flat. But yeah, so guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you want me to do anything in particular, let me know, and I'll do my best to get the video done. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye. Peace, 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 peace. There we go.